Roman, my love, please say something. Wake up. I'm sorry for what I said to you.
Sorry, the line is busy. Call again later.
What? How can the lines be cut?
What the hell is going on?
Nem tudom. A BedPS elfoglalta a segélyhívó központot.
Micsoda? Az lehetetlen. Meg kell állítanunk ezeket a gonosz disznókat, mielőtt még rosszabbat csinálnának.
I'm sorry I had to do a runner like that, Rigby. I was just anxious about the house.
I know, so am I. But there's just no point overreacting like that.
Rigby, you don't understand. I have been living in Nagyrásháza ever since Orange died. This place is a dream to me. Although it is not as big as Budapest, it still means so much to me. I don't want to lose the only perfect house I ever lived in. But this village, for me, is my biggest mistake I have ever made.
Just like this relationship.
What are you talking about?
Listen, I have a new girlfriend that you don't know. Elaine Roberts, we've been getting along really well, and sadly you don't fit in the picture anymore. So Kif, I'm sorry, but it's over between us.
You're breaking up with me. Rigby, you cannot!
I already did, Kif. We have to part ways, I'm afraid. Good luck on your way home.
Do you want to know why I sent you all here? To this forest? Well, I'll tell you. It's because I am getting sick and tired of all of this brainwashing you're causing to me. I can't stand it. You always prevent me from doing what I want, and now I lost everything. My business, my money, everything.
McLaren, please. We have nothing to do.
Shut up! All of you shut the hell up! I cannot take this anymore. I'm being betrayed, thanks to you. Now it is time to sort this out.
McLaren, no. What are you gonna do with that?
I'm sorry. I am done with this bullshit. People always say that your precious home is unpurchasable, but guess what? It wasn't at all. It was just OTP Bank messing with your heads, and it's not me you should be afraid of. It's them.
Don't say that. Look, I know you did some horrible things, but you are a good person. You can turn your life around. You can be a successful businessman and you can forget your criminal ways. Believe in us, McLaren. Just think about your wife.
I am. I always think about her, but I've got no choice. I have to do it for her. It's the only way.
Whoa!